If your door still sticks after tightening hinges and adjusting screws, there are targeted steps you can take to identify and fix deeper alignment problems. Start by inspecting hinge placement and consider lowering the top hinge by about 1/8 of an inch to change the swing plane without removing the door entirely. If the hinge leaf is seated proud of the jamb, chisel a slightly deeper mortise so the hinge sits flush. Use a sharp chisel and make shallow passes until the leaf is level with the wood. Sand or plane the edge of the door where it rubs, working gradually and testing the swing frequently to avoid removing too much material. Check for localized contact by closing the door with a sheet of thin paper or cardboard held where it sticks, then slide the paper to locate exact contact points, mark those spots, and remove material only from those areas. Inspect both the door and the frame for warp by sighting down the edge and looking for gaps under even pressure. A warped door can be straightened by controlled planing or replaced if the distortion is severe. Finally, examine the floor and threshold for settling or swelling from moisture, which can change the hinge to threshold geometry and cause new binding. Common mistakes include overplaning the door edge, which creates gaps and poor sealing. Avoid removing large amounts at once and test the fit after each small pass. Another frequent issue is ignoring loose or elongated hinge screw holes, which let the door sag. Remedy this by using longer screws that reach the framing behind the jamb or by filling stripped holes with a dowel and glue before redrilling. Homeowners often assume the door itself is the problem when the frame is compromised. If you see cracks, separation at the jamb, or the strike plate no longer lines up after hinge adjustments, consider rehanging the door or consulting a professional to assess frame repair. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can handle door rehanging, frame repair, and precise carpentry. On our site, we also support contractors by helping them find work and participate in a discussion community where peers and homeowners share advice and practical troubleshooting tips.